Hello, welcome muli mga kaibigan sa aking YouTube channel, Sari-Saring Luto at Kwento with Kuya Ron. So, ngayon po kasi kanina I was at my backyard and then ang daming lemons and meron din akong tanim na mga basil. So, I have a lot of basil leaves available for cooking. So, naisip ko, I'm gonna do something about it. So, yun. I thought about a dish that is very popular in Italy. It's an Italian dish, pero napakasimple pong lutuin. So, ang ingredients lang po nito is probably 4 or 5 ingredients. Lemon, basil leaves, if you have cheese, the pecorino romano cheese, and then any pasta. But preferably po, ang pasta nyo is should be yung thin, like spaghetti, linguine, those, ganun na mga uh, klase ng pasta. And then olive oil. And then that's it. Basically, yun lang po yung ingredients. So, join me today as I will be cooking a simple dish, Italian dish, called pasta al limone or lemon pasta. So ngayon, I'm going to show you the ingredients. So first, olive oil. Dapat olive oil this time, okay? So pwedeng yung extra virgin or just plain olive oil, but it should be olive oil po. And then here I have a pasta. It's a thin spaghetti. So any brand pwede nyong gamitin, but if you want a good really pasta, yung tingnan po ninyo yung talagang made in Italy. And there are a few brands out there, so depende na po kayo ng preference nyo. Pero kung may makita kayo na talagang made in Italy na brand, then take that one. I know sometimes they're a little, expensive, about $2-3 more, but it would give you really a big difference when you're going to taste the pasta. And then lemon, kakailanganin po natin yung zest niya mamaya, and then basil leaves, and of course our cheese. Preferably po when you're making this kind of pasta, wag ko tayo magtipid sa cheese. It's very important po na may maganda tayong klase ng cheese na gagamitin, and then I would recommend po pecorino romano cheese, or kung wala, I think Parmesan cheese will be fine. Okay, so let's start cooking. So, hello. So, ipapakita ko po, first is kailangan natin yung zest, lemon zest. So, we're just going to make some lemon zest here para to add flavor sa ating pasta. So just very careful po when you're making yung kinukuha niyo yung zest ng lemon, kasi pag makuha yung masyadong malalim, mapait ang so doon lang po sa pinakaibabaw. So, kaya is also important na kumuha tayo ng fine na bang tawag dito? Grinder, or parang yung ginagamit natin parang sa cheese. Pag grate is a grater, pero dapat yung very fine yung grater natin. Yan. So, konti pa. Yan. And we're gonna do more para mas lalong masarap yung ating pasta. Dito lang manggagaling yung flavor ng ating pasta, by the way. So it's from just the aroma of the basil and the lemon zest. Yun lang. Tapos yung taste na niya, it would be all coming from the cheese, yung pecorino romano cheese. Napakasimple. Kasi actually naman, if you're really going to look at it, many Italian dishes, napakasimple lang po yung pagluluto nila. So yun, I think we have good amount of zest. Then ngayon, I already, at this time, piniprepare ko na rin po yung ating pasta. So nagpapakulo na po ako ng tubig. At the back, if you can see, pagpapaboil na rin po ako ng tubig natin doon, I put some salt. So always put salt when you're boiling water for your pasta para meron na ring lasa yung inyong pasta. Now, ang nakalagay kasi dito, make sure na to follow po yung cooking time sa instruction nung pasta nyo na makuha kasi minsan may mga 10 minutes. With this one, it says cooking time is 9 minutes and then al dente 7 minutes. So meaning, gagawin ko yung al dente, ito yung medyo firm pa yung pasta nyo. Kasi while you're doing this, where you're tossing actually the pasta with the lemon sauce, niluluto na rin niya with the cheese. So dapat hindi sobrang luto yung pasta para mas maganda po yung kakalalabasan ng inyong pasta. So 7 minutes, I'm done cooking my pasta. So I'm just waiting for it to boil. So almost boiling na yung ating water. So when it's boiling, I can already start cooking. So let me, I can start cooking right now. So on my lutuan. So kung medyo mainit-init na yung ating pan, I can already put the olive oil. At makikita nyo, napakasimple. Very simple. So binabantayan ko lang po yung aking boiling water at the back, or I can start now. So olive oil, I would say about what? 2 tablespoons ng olive oil. So with what I'm using right now, it's a extra virgin olive oil, pero depende po yun sa preference nyo. So ayun. Siguro mga, about 2 tablespoons ng olive oil. Then let it heat a little bit. Heat up the pan, yung oil natin. Then medyo mainit na. Then we can already put our lemon zest. So medyo bantayan lang po natin para hindi masunog yung ating lemon zest. So ayan, I think okay na yung heat niya. There you go. So very simple. And then at this time, pwede nating ilagay yung ating basil. So kung may mga basil leaves kayo na malalaki, ano na lang, ikakat nyo lang po ng maliliit para hindi masyadong malaki yung natin sa basil. Yan. So yung medyo malaki para magkaroon pa lang ng taste. Then yung maliliit, you can put it as a buo. Let's say ngayon sa akin yan, yung mga maliliit na ganoon, I can put them. Yan. Pero yung malalaki, kailangan ko pong para you can also substitute yung basil kung wala po kayong basil. Kung may mint po kayo, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung mint. Is the same din po yung result nito. Magbibigay po siya ng aroma sa inyong pasta. So ayan. So mas madami nating pasta. I think kulang pa yung aking olive oil. Dagdagan ko ng konti. Ayan. Kung marami po kong makuha na zest, lang ko lang yung aking almost kumukulo na yon. So pwede pa nyo dagdagan ng lemon zest yung inyong niluluto, yung inyong pasta. So, meron pa akong extra dito. So, para lalong magkakalasa. Di ba? Yan. Ayun. Saka depende po sa dami ng gagawin nyo. Yan. Ayun. So, mix lang natin. So, yung ang amoy. Ang bango. Yan. So, nagmi-mix na yung, nagko-collaborate na yung olive saka yung basil ninyo. So, at this point, hinaan na lang po natin yung apoy. Kasi, Then, sa likod, almost boiling na yung ating water doon. Yan. So, kita nyo, lalagyan ko lang ng yung pinagkuluan natin ng pasta, ilalagyan ko lang dito sa ating sauce para yun ang pangluluto natin mamaya. Siguro, so yan, siguro isang muna. I think that's enough for now. Hinihintay natin na maluto yung ating pasta, and at the same time, we're also blending now the flavors of the olive oil, saka yung basil. Then after this, kikita nyo, lalagay na natin yung ating pasta dyan. Then almost done. Ayun, lagay lang natin yung mga zest na kinuha natin. I think pwede pa natin makuha dito. Meron mga konti pa. So, i-maximize na natin yung zest natin para mas mabango at mas masarap. Yan, fresh na fresh yung ating lemon. So, for the meantime, while waiting for the pasta to be cooked, pwede na rin natin ilagay yung ating dito, juice. Yan. Tapos lagay natin na ganyan. Squeeze the juice out. Then lagay natin na ganyan. Yan. Para lalong magkaroon ng flavor yung ating pasta sauce. Yan, malapit ng kumulo. Maluto yung ating pasta. Alisin ko lang yung mga seeds ng ating lemon para hindi mapait. Yan, i-strain ko na yung ating pasta in a bit. Then, hinayaan ko lang yan na maluto yan. Very low heat. And then, meron pa tayong 1 minute sa ating pasta para it's gonna be al dente. Tikman ko lang firmness. Ayun, luto na yung ating pasta. So, alisin lang natin tong ating lemon dito. There you go. Konting seeds pa. Yan. And then we can already toss our pasta here. So, simple. Diba? And then, we're just going to put more heat there. Toss lang natin na ganyan while cooking. So, para magbi-blend na yung flavors natin from the sauce kanina. Then, we're gonna be putting now the cheese. Ito yung ating pecorino romano cheese. So, slowly. Grated na ho ito. Nung nabili ko po tong cheese na to is it's parang slice. So ngayon grenade ko na lang po ng very fine. Yan, nakita nyo ngayon. Pero this cheese is so sarap, silky. Then nagbibigay talaga ng flavor sa inyong pasta. Ito lang ang kailangan nyo. No need for salt, no need for any seasoning. Ito na yung magbibigay ng lasa sa inyong pasta. So ganyan lang. Low heat natin. Yan. Then let it mag-collaborate. Ang tawag nga doon is collaboration of flavors. Yan. Yan lang. Until medyo magkokonti na po yung sauce ng ating pasta. Let it cook like that. Ganyan lang. Then add more cheese para may lasa. Yan. And keep on Yan. Then we can turn off the heat. Yan. Para yung ano na lang, magluluto na yan. Then we're gonna adding more. Ayan. My God. So good. Bango. So keep on para maluto yung ating pasta. Then ang next na ho dito is plating na. If you wanna add more flavor, pwede rin po yung pepper, ground pepper, black pepper. Uh, then let me just taste it. Kung tamang-tama na yung alat. It's good. Yan po, napakasimple. I'm just going to plate it. And it's just that simple. Al limone pasta or pasta, lemon pasta. It's good. Let me plate it for you. So I'm going to plate it. I'm just going to get some juice or from our or sauce. Then put more zest a little bit. Then little pecorino. And here you are, pasta al limone or lemon pasta.